you for tuning in and becoming parts of us this wonderful hour. This is our devotional hour. We call it Evangelist Sarah Mbogo Ministry. Kindly log in, invite a friend. Let us hear the will of the Father that He has this new week. God bless you so much. We appreciate you. We love you. Honor you for being part of this family. Today is a special day. We are honored to have the man of God with us, who is taking us along in this devotional hour. Welcome so much, Bishop Jim Mwando.
Yeah, thank you very much. I also welcome you on behalf of Evangelist Sarah Mbogo.
Yes.
May the Lord bless you. I believe this is a great day that the Lord has made for us.
Amen.
Even as we continue to push in prayer and waging spiritual warfare against evils that the enemy has brought upon the life of. I know we can all be delivered and we can be successful and we can. Those who are sick, God can heal them. Those who have need, God fight for them. Those who are believing God for their protection, protect their dreams, their vision, their destinies, their life. Karibuni